Some of you might relate to this. You have all proper business documents, your business is genuine, you follow Google guidelines, but still Google keeps rejecting your appeal. Frustrating, right? And you start wondering, what am I doing wrong? Why is Google not approving my profile? If this sounds familiar, this case study is for you. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards and I am back with another real suspension removal case study. And let's get started. Our client, Palm Paradise Handyman Services, is a local service business based in Florida. One day, their Google business profile got suspended. Before contacting us, the client had already submitted 2 suspension appeals, provided all the required documents, waited patiently for Google's response. But both appeals were rejected. At this point, most business owners panic because repeated rejections make recovery more difficult. That's when the client contacted GBP Wizards. When we onboarded this project, we knew one thing clearly. This was not just a documentation issue. Many business owners believe if I have documents, Google must approve my appeal. But that's not how suspension recovery works. Our first step was deep internal audit of the profile. We carefully reviewed the business category setup, service area configuration, address usage, profile history, and signals from previous rejected appeals. We identified the policy conflicts that were still active, which is why Google kept rejecting the appeal. Submitting another appeal without fixing these issues would have made the situation even worse. So instead of rushing an appeal, we fixed the root causes first. Only after confirming the full policy compliance, we did submit a clean, well-structured appeal. And the result is the suspension was successfully removed, the profile was restored and live, no further policy warnings, ownership and control secured, and most importantly, the business started receiving inquiries again. The client was extremely happy with the result, and you can see here.
So finally, your profile has been reinitiated.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so everything was perfect. The communication was really good. Through our WhatsApp group, we had the opportunity to talk to each other, no matter what the time change was, because you live in India, I live in the USA, so everything was perfect. Great communication, and you helped me a lot. Our business profile is back, and we are happy to get new clients. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for the feedback.
And this case proves one important thing. Google doesn't reject appeals randomly. Appeals fail when the real issue is not fixed. Documents alone are not enough. Diagnosis and strategy matter more. If you are watching this and thinking, I have documents but my appeal is rejected, my profile is suspended again and again, and I don't know what Google wants, then remember this. Don't appeal blindly. Contact GBP Wizards. We analyze the issue first, fix the real problem, and then appeal the right way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case study.